Okay, welcome back to the Tech Moto channel. I have a dilemma. I have bought some saddlebags or panniers or whatever you want to call them for the Harley Davidson. Now I'm off to Switzerland in October for a conference, and I thought I'd take the Harley, but I've got no luggage on the Harley at the moment, so I thought I'd buy some panniers. That'll be good. Stick all my stuff in it. Couldn't find any online that fit my Harley Davidson. Then I found this company based in Germany, and they make these rather nice sort of faux leather panniers. They claim that they're universal. Don't believe that for a minute, but it did say that they fitted my bike. So bought them, waited about a month for them to arrive, ended up paying a horrific amount of import tax because of course we're no longer in Europe. And they've arrived. Now, they didn't come with instructions, so managed to put them all together. But lo and behold, they don't fit. So the Harley Davidson that they were made for was the Breakout, which doesn't have suspension just here. So the bags can't go over the suspension. So I've been mocking up a sort of frame, if you like. So underneath here, if you take the little reflector off the back, there is a metal frame, the part of the chassis of the bike, and there's two holes in it. So I was thinking if I make two steel pieces that come round like this, stop there, so chop those off there, don't go out that far, then I can attach the bag to that and it'll be above the suspension. So that's what we're going to do next. So bought some steel. Just went online and bought some flat bar, 50mm by 5mm. It's pretty solid. I don't want these panniers moving around, but there's no bend in it at all. So hopefully, I mean, I can be complete overkill, but I don't want to end up stuck on the side of a road in Switzerland with my pannier 500 yards behind me. So I've got that. And I've also bought some nice stainless steel 8mm bolts as well, so I can stick everything together. Because it's steel, I can weld it together. So let's see if I can make this work. Okay, we're done. Quick recap on what we've done. We have added a super bright headlight on there. We've added a windscreen. We've added an accelerator rest. You don't have to grip the accelerator when you're on the motorway. You can just rest your palm on it. Quick release mobile phone and charger. Volume control for sound in the helmet. And then we've added some panniers. Now, you can't actually get panniers for this bike, so this is interesting. It'd be interesting taking it into Harley to have it serviced, because they wonder what the hell's going on. But we now have two panniers on the back here. 35 litre, should hold all my stuff. Fixed with a custom bracket on both sides, and a little bracket on the back here to keep it nice and solid, nice and secure. So, job's a good one.